Hi, my name's Tim Hanai. I'm a master of wine, and I'm also a professionally trained chef. I used to be one of the international gurus of wine and food pairing, but now I offer you a much more practical and simpler solution. It's called flavor balancing, and it is so simple, it's almost stupid. All right, here we go. Take a glass of wine. This will work with Chardonnay, with Cabernet, with Moscato, whatever. It's a little bit more demonstrative with the red wine because of the stronger flavors. And the first thing you do is take a sip of the wine, cheers, and pay attention to the bitterness and the astringency. Now, wine and food pairing would have it that this cherry, oh, I can smell the cherries in the wine and whatever. So you have the duck with the cherry sauce, and that goes with the wine. It smells like cherries. You may have a fresh grape. This demonstration works great with fresh grapes also. Now what you do is eat your cherry. Yum. Try your wine. It gets horribly bitter. It's not pleasant at all. So actually the principles of wine and food pairing are based on metaphors and some magical thing that actually can make your wine really taste lousy. All right, so here's the solution. You're gonna love this. Lemon and some salt. All right, little sip of the wine again. Lick your salt and lemon, just a little bit. You're not biting it, you know, it's not a tequila shot, but it's the same principle. Try that, just a little bit. And you'll probably go, wow, the wine gets so smooth and delicious. And it helps to eliminate the burn from the alcohol. It reduces the astringency and bitterness. It's wonderful. Crazy thing, cherries in your sauce will make your wine more bitter and more astringent. Flavor balancing would mean add a little bit of lemon, lime juice, some balsamic vinegar, and a titch more salt, and it'll get smooth again. It's so simple. And it's also why they serve lemons on virtually every dish in Italy. Cut lemons are always on the table. And dill pickles will make your wine taste better than fresh cherries or fresh grapes. It's really crazy. Now, the second thing that can happen is a good tomato has umami taste. And umami taste makes your food taste yummy and delicious, but it sets up a negative reaction with the wine. So if you try a bite of tomato in a wine you love, it's kind of a split decision. Some people find it fine. Some people find the wine gets maybe a little milder. A lot of people find the wine gets more bitter. Put a little salt and lemon on your tomato. Two things happen. The tomato tastes much better, and the wine will taste great. So when you're cooking, if you're making a sauce or something like that, or a dish, try a little bite of the dish. Try the wine you want to serve that you love the most, or that you're proud to serve your guests. If the wine gets a little unpleasant and bitter, just a tiny bit more salt, maybe a little squeeze of lemon, lime, a little dash of balsamic vinegar. This is what they do in Europe. This is how their cuisines are developed. Makes your food taste better, makes your wine taste better, and now you're not saddled with, oh, you should serve a big red wine with this when you like a delicate sweet wine, or the converse, oh, a big red wine would overpower it. You've got to serve a delicate white wine and you want a big red wine. It really works, and you'll find it's a big solution to a chronic problem called wine and food pairing.